Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DigiByte. In my previous video, we have seen that the price action of DigiByte was, after hitting the resistance of a bullish pennant, was likely to move down, and this was a previous move. And if we move to the live chart, then now the price action is finally moved down at the support of this bullish pennant. But I'm not expecting that the price action will break down this support, even though we have also received a sell signal by this alligator indicator. Not completely, but we can receive the sell signal. For example, this is the combination of 3 simple moving averages with a time period of 5, 8, and 13. This is lips, and this 8 moving average is teeth, and this 13 moving average is jaw. So once we have the smallest time period moving average above all and the biggest time period moving average below all, so it is called an open alligator mouth, and it is a bullish signal or buying signal. At this time, we are having the smallest time period moving average crossing all the moving averages down, and then we have the 8, and then we are having this 13 simple moving average. So there is a sell signal is getting appeared by this alligator indicator. But these are the small simple moving averages, therefore sometime they can give the false signal. Therefore we should use them with the combination of some different indicators. For example, at this time we can use it with the combination of this bullish pennant, support and resistance levels. At this time the price action is at the support, so unless the price action will not break down this support, we cannot consider that this sell signal or this bearish signal is true. Therefore we should wait for the price action to break down. If the price action will break down the support, then we can consider that our stop loss is triggered and we can sell the DigiByte, or we can take exit from the trade. But I'm not expecting that it will break down the support. For example, I'm just placing the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this bullish pennant, and after placing this volume profile, we can see that we have the trader's interest up to this level, and that is almost 182 satoshis. So at this level the price action, the trader's interest is low, and we have the point of control of the volume profile here at the support of this pennant. That is a bit critical, but if we place the moon phases indicator, then the altitude of new full moon is very high, and there is a big distance between the resistance of this pennant and this new full moon. Therefore it is giving us the indication that the price line can give a spike, or it can move easily up to this level. And if we watch the dark moon, the new dark moon, then we have one bearish signal, another one is the bullish signal. The bearish signal is that the dark moon is below the support, but there is not as that much big distance like we have here between the resistance and the new full moon. There is a very small distance between the support and the new dark moon. But the positive thing and the bullish thing is that we had the previous dark moon here at the lower level, and now the new dark moon is appeared at the higher level. So whenever the dark moon has appeared at the high level, that is another kind of bullish signal, and it gives an indication that the price action may not move up to this dark moon, and it will be moved up to the new full moon that is at a very high altitude above the resistance of this pennant. And if we watch the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then we have a very strong support of 25, 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages. At this time, the price line is trying to break down the 25 simple moving average and having a strong support of 50 SMA. Then we have 100, then 200, and at the same time we are also having the support of this bullish pennant. Therefore it will be really very helpful for the price line to move up from this level, because we are having two supports. One is this support of the bullish pennant, and other one is the support of the 50 simple moving average. But once this support will be broken down, then the price action further move down up to 100 and then 200 simple moving averages. And if we watch the same simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 150 and 200 on the weekly chart, then we have a very strong support of 100 simple moving average on the weekly chart. But if we watch above the price line, we have more stronger resistance than the support. That is the 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart. But there are some more positive and bullish signals are appeared on this chart that can lead the price action to at least break out from this resistance of the bullish pattern. And that is, we have this pivot point that works as a center of gravity for the price line. The price line always moves back to the pivot points. So this new pivot point on the weekly chart is appeared here above the price line. Therefore, it will be easy for the price line to move up to this level. We have already a spike in the month of May up to this level, very close to this level. And this time we can expect that after this correction rally, the price action will again try to spike up to this level. And maybe it will be reached up to that level completely. And if we want the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, the smaller time period moving averages, then they are moving up. We have first received the 25 and 50 simple moving average bull cross, and this bull cross produced this powerful bullish rally. Whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that produces a powerful bullish rally, and that is also a buying signal. And we can see that at this time the 25 simple moving average is moving up to cross up this 100 simple moving average, and as it is moving up, the price action is turning more and more bullish. And once we will have the golden cross between the 50 and this 200, and there is a really very big distance between the 50 and 200 simple moving average. But once this golden cross will be formed, then we will see a really very big spike and big bullish, powerful bullish rally by the price action of DigiByte, because this golden cross is considered as a powerful buying signal among the traders community. And this golden cross would be not the daily chart, the daily time period chart golden cross. That will be formed on the weekly chart. That will be really very powerful. And we have the recent pivot support below the price action, where we have this 50 simple moving average. So I'm expecting that once this bull cross will be formed between the 100 and the 25, then 50 and 100, then the price action will break out this 200 simple moving average. Otherwise, it can move down up to this 100 and then 25, and then at the last support of 50 simple moving average. But in my point of view, there are strong chances that, because the smaller time period moving averages are just telling us the tendency of the price line as well, that in the long run, in the long term, the price line can move up because all the simple moving averages are moving up, and soon we can see that the 100 simple moving average will be also turned up to form a bull cross with the 200 simple moving average. Now at the end of this video, I would like to recall my previous chart that I have shared with you on 25th of June 2019, more than a year ago, when the price action was entered in this potential reversal zone of an expected bearish shark pattern. This was the initial leg. Then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it was projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And here, this was the second confirmation for the bearish shark, and I defined my sell targets and buying zone as per Fibonacci sequence of this bearish shark pattern. I will also share those targets in the video's description as well. You can find there. And these are the secured sell targets, and these are the aggressive sell targets. And if you will, you can also target this zone, or you can also target this zone. But in my point of view, this final leg will be completed on the long term, and this will be a very long term trade, because this is a monthly chart and one candlestick is representing 1 month. Now I'm just playing this chart And you can see the current situation of the price action. It completely entered in this potential reversal zone, and now it is gearing up toward this first sell target zone that I have defined as a secure target zone. Then we have the aggressive target sell zone up to the completion of this bearish shark pattern. Let me just show you the targets. This is the buying area that starts from 168 satoshis and not ends up to this level. Only for the educational purpose, I've just shown that the price action cannot move down than this level. Otherwise, the price action found a strong support at this level, almost at here you can see almost at 65 or 64 satoshis. It has found a really very powerful support. Therefore, you can consider that the buying zone starts from 168 satoshis and ends up to 65 satoshis, and this is the first secure sell target zone that is 338 satoshis and ends up to 694 satoshis, and this is the aggressive target zone as per Fibonacci sequence of the bearish shark. When the final leg of the bearish shark will be completed, start from 808 satoshis and ends up to 969 satoshis. So this will be a really very big bullish and powerful rally. And at the end of this video, I would like to share this blog with you guys that I've just recently started, and I am sharing all the detailed analysis about every asset here on this blog. And I hope that you will also support my blog like you are supporting my channel as well. And I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.